Finding a unique sound and style is perhaps the best thing that you can do to boost your band's brand in the marketplace. I'm not talking about being so unique that only a few people get you, but rather being the most advanced yet still acceptable. And in case you're wondering who I am, I'm a college professor and 10-time author. So go ahead and like and subscribe and let's get this video started. How can you blend different genres to create a signature sound and style? Linkin Park blended heavy metal, hip hop, and electronic music with aggressive guitar riffs, rap vocals, and electronic beats. Are there any other styles you can experiment with to create your own unique sound? Skrillex reshaped dubstep by blending aggressive, high-energy bass drops, intricate sound design, and elements from rock, hip-hop, and electro house. What styles can you blend together to boost your own DJ brand? Queen pushed musical boundaries by blending progressive rock, opera, and pop. Are you brave enough to combine different musical sounds like Queen did to stand out? How can you blend different instruments to create a signature sound and style? Blues travelers' focus on the harmonica helped define their blues rock sound, giving them a soulful edge that set them apart from many of their contemporaries. Can you feature an unusual instrument to make your band stand out? Jethro Tull blended the traditional sound of the flute with hard rock and heavy metal, creating a fusion that was innovative and signature to their sound. What unexpected instrument can you integrate into your style to create something truly unique? Ray Manzareka's electric organ playing was key to the Doors' psychedelic rock sound, setting them apart from other bands of the time. Can you use an instrument in a way that redefines the genre you're working in? Yo, you guys taking notes? If not, you can always check it out in my book, Music Marketing for the DIY Musician, available on Amazon, okay? Now let's get back to it. How can you use your voice to create a signature sound and style? Billie Eilish created her unique sound by blending whispery, breathy vocals with minimalistic, experimental electronic pop production, creating a dark and intimate atmosphere. Do you have any interesting ways to deliver your vocals that can make you stand out? Mariah Carey's unique sound stems from her 5-octave vocal range and her ability to blend multiple vocal styles, including pop, R&B, and gospel. Do you have an exceptional vocal strength you can exploit as part of your band's signature style? Bob Dylan created his unique sound and style through his raw, emotional storytelling, but also by ignoring the media who criticized him for his nasally, drawn-out vocal style. Is there anything quirky about your voice or style that you could feel comfortable bringing forth as your standout style? How can you create unique production techniques to create a signature sound and style? Kanye West revolutionized hip-hop and pop music by blending intricate sampling techniques, electronic production, and industrial sounds. In what ways can you take your production to unique and standout levels? Radio created their unique sound and style by experimenting with electronic, ambient, and atmospheric elements in the recording studio. Are you brave enough to take your studio experimentation to a standout level like Radiohead did? The Beatles created their unique sound and style by blending rock, pop, and experimental studio techniques, including orchestras, diverse instrumentation, and arrangements. Can you make your studio experimentation part of your signature sound? Finding a unique sound and style is perhaps the best thing that you can do to boost your band's brand in the marketplace. But creating a really cool band name doesn't hurt either. Be sure to check out this video, like, subscribe, and remember, my name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into more successful business. Peace, love, and later.